G'day guys, welcome to Kap Industries. My name is Russell and this is the video installation guide for a Kap Industries fire extinguisher mount and extinguisher into a Holden Torana LH, LX and UC. Now these cars, they're classics. They look so good and we don't want to see any more of these cars get taken away from us because of a small fire that could have been put out. For instance, a lot of these cars have old wiring, carburetor fires, old fuel lines, all these different things can possibly start a fire. Well, we don't want to lose it because of that. So let's go and install a fire extinguisher into this car. So the tools required to install the fire extinguisher are just a 1/2 inch spanner and a couple of 8mm spanners. The 8mm spanners are for these little M5 high tensile nuts and bolts that you'll attach the fire extinguisher cage to. Now in the video here, we're installing this twin latch one that we sell on our website. However, you can get fire extinguishers anywhere. A lot of automotive shops have them, but just make sure you're using one with a metal cage like this one here. If the fire extinguisher you've bought has a plastic cage, put that in your kitchen or somewhere else. You have to install them with a metal cage. That's so that in case of an accident, these will actually hold the fire extinguisher into its cage and hold it so it doesn't fly out. The procedure is really easy. You simply loosen off the two front seat bolts about 5 or 6 millimeters. Then slip the bracket underneath. Let's show you how. As you can see here, I've just loosened it. I haven't taken it all the way out. I can then slip the bracket between the bolt head and the floor. I do that on both sides. These ratchet spanners are awesome. Before we install the bracket into the vehicle, it's best to attach the cage of the extinguisher onto the bracket first. As you can see, the bracket has a lot of slots so you can move the extinguisher where you like it. And it will also come with these M5 high tensile nuts and bolts and washers. Now what you're going to do is just got to lift up the little washer. I'm just using a little flathead screwdriver and slip the bracket underneath the washer. And under it goes. Alrighty. There we go. So you get that one like that. Alright, so as you can see, I just had to loosen off the bolts and then slip it under. Have to admit, it is a little bit like patting your head, rubbing your tummy at the same time. You do have to spend a couple of minutes getting it, but you'll get there. All right, as you can see, now it's all slipped in underneath those washers. Then simply just tighten them back up. Then after you've tightened up your two bolts, simply slip the extinguisher in and clip it up. There you go, all bolted in and looks fantastic. Well, thank you so much for watching our little installation video. Now, this beautiful Torana is protected with a fire extinguisher. Hopefully he never ever needs it because, well, if you need a fire extinguisher, it's not great. But it's so easy to access. For instance, if you're sitting in the driver's seat, you can reach across, pop the two clips, pull it straight out. That way, you've got it in your hands within 2 seconds. So if you'd like to grab one of these fire extinguishers and fire extinguisher mounts, please grab this one off our website in the link below, or check out all the other fire extinguisher brackets we make. There's heaps on our website now. So thank you so much. Enjoy your day.